I 3D printed this little box. I gotta say, most of it is pretty good. Biggest problems that you'll have is once you take it out of the machine, you're gonna have to do a lot of sanding. All the holes in there. Make sure the detectors and bits and pieces that go in here, like the camera will go here, one of the detectors will go there, and the LED will go there. All those bits need to be sanded down. The worst part actually was this here. I had to do a lot of sanding. These things are not wide enough when they come out of the printer. This part here was successful. It came out. This nut went in no problem whatsoever. Anything else? These are perfectly wide, so you can install USBs on the back or the power cable or HDMI. Well, that works perfectly. As far as this goes, it's really hard to reach the SD card when you put in the Raspberry Pi. So yeah, so there's a lot of good things and some bad things, but overall, if you are very persistent and capable, you can still get this to work. So yeah, thumbs up.